Hey there, this is Laura Stephen here from Grab Your Confidence. Today I want to jump on and talk to you all about brows and how important it is to frame your face with the perfect brows. So keep on watching for a quick tutorial on how to accomplish that. "2020 is all about natural brows, but you still want them to shape your face. Take your brow palette and the first step is to take a spoolie and brush your brow upwards. This will give you a natural shape and line to follow. Second, take an angled brush and into the lightest colour on your palette, you're going to use short, hair-like movements to create and infill the eyebrow. Do this lightly and build up colour rather than do it in one go to make it blocky. You can use your brush to create a guide on where your eyebrow should start, finish, and where the arch should be at its highest. Keep those movements short and sharp to avoid looking blocky. Secondly, take your darker colour and create depth using the same movements in the arch and the tail of the eyebrow. Finally, you're going to finish the look by waxing the brow in place using your spoolie and the wax in the palette to hold it in place. Lastly, make those eyebrows pop by using a bit of highlighter on the underside of the eyebrow and the edge of the tail and blend. You can use that highlighter on the corners of your eyes just to make those pop too. And finally, I've gone in with a little bit of the pink highlighter just on the front of my eyebrow just to create some depth. All done. I hope you enjoyed that video tutorial and you now have easy steps to create perfect brows. Feel free to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Also, why don't you hop over to Facebook, find me there, connect as a friend and like my business page, Grab Your Confidence. Hope to see you over there soon. Take care.